BodyCartography project is a collaborative duo between Olive Bieringa, who's from New Zealand, and Otto Ramstad, who is from the Twin Cities.
What the piece is looking at is the relationship between humans and animals, and in urban settings, our proximity to animal life is forgotten.
So if you could imagine watching a documentary on the Animal Channel only about humans, that's a little bit the start of how this piece began.
The investigation that they're doing physically is that connection that we have primally to being mammals and being animals.
The movement vocabulary on stage, the dancing will be very explosive. It will have these big bursts of energy, just as you would see animals in the wild, but also very tender, nurturing, subtle shifts of energy and emotion that pass through two beings when they're just very close and in tune with one another.